Me I say good afternoon to everybody on YouTube. Yeah, my subscribers them and all of the people them out there we are go through hardship. One thing me have to say, I mean I stay long on this. You see the thing we call love is a painful thing. Yes, painful thing. You can love somebody, yeah, and the person don't love you. The person will tell you them love you, but them don't love you. You see what me I say? Yes, them will love another person but cannot do nothing for them. You see what I say? Yes, that is how painful love is. And them will use you to get whatever them want from you and then them flush you out. I am going through the same process. So anytime you see me I go through them thing, yeah, me have to put it on YouTube for the world know say yo. I am just another man who is going through a lot. Like any other man, we are doing them best for a woman. You see me? Yeah. Yes, I am doing my best for a certain woman. Yes, not call on him. Yeah, but it's not really my personal woman. It's a man woman. You see me? Yeah. So basically, we cuss and go on more time. Yes, and certain things happen where yeah. But when me I say all I man them out there, we are look out for woman where they love. You see me? I say after a while then change. After a while then start to tell us some argument where not necessary. You see me? Yeah. Yeah man, and them start tell us some things if it burn you. Or them start do some things to run away because them find a new man, they don't want you again. No matter if you are work, or no matter if you treat them good, them find somebody will give them a little bit more money than you. You see what I say? So them gonna work with that person there. Until that person they kick off with them, they run back to you. Yeah, well, you see me right now, any woman that violate me and diss me right now, me not run back to them at all. Me done with them. Yeah. Yeah, me I get old every day, and a young me I get young. Me I get old, and me can't work so hard and waste my one on some people. Don't even mean me no good. Sometimes some of these people are trying to set you up. Yeah, sometimes some of these people are trying to do away with you, and they might take your things every friggin' day. That's what I say. Yes. So it don't make no sense, yo. It makes no sense at all. You see me? Yeah. It don't make no sense at all. Trust me. When you find out your woman will do certain things to push you off, you left her alone. So I'm try to force up in her because what? She do everything to ease her for her. She don't want you no more. She don't want to see you no more. What's if she tell us if you stop text her? And she say if you stop text her on her phone, yeah, she go block you. Yeah, no matter you could have dep on Facebook, WhatsApp, anything where you dep on. But you know you see dep on, she go block you. So what I say? So all of the women them out there we are turn fool for man and all of man them we are turn fool for woman. And I end up feel like a dog shit. Be careful on I do. You see me? You can do what you do, but don't do too much. So when I say, as my granny would say, sorry if you mark a dog in town and bite you. That's when I say, yeah. And that's going on now. Enough probably I get bite by your own dog, mark a dog, or we are sorry for. So when I say, straight. Yeah man, that's what me have to say. All I man them out there, we are trying them best. And the ending part, them tell us never you, them have small out there where you have to find out yourself, so them have small out there. That's a problem. That's a problem for you, because some of them women and them young girls don't care about no man, Just like how some man don't care about no woman that help them, Yeah, so basically, when me I say, just be wise, man, woman, all like good man them and good woman them out there. Just be wise. And don't do nothing stupid and foolish, you see what I say? Straight. Because in the ending part, you are going to sit down and cry and feel all the pain. You see me? Yeah. Even the woman that hurt you. Even the woman that hurt you and tell you bad things and she knows you don't do her nothing. Yes, she is going to sit down and cry too. Yeah, because what? You did good to her and you did kind to her. Just the same as the man sit down and ball. He knows the woman is good to him, but he got to fuckery. Like that now, some woman got to fuckery and get caught, but the man don't know I hear the man I hear what go on. So basically kind of mash up she and a man there, but she never did want that to happen. The same thing goes for a man. If you're a woman find out that he might mix with another woman, she'll cut left him too. Yeah, because she a mind him. And the same thing with a man with a mind a woman. When she go fuck a look a man in her work. And then again, some of them girl, yeah, them a fuck some man and not give them nothing. Them a fuck some man when I work. Them the man that them love. That's what I say, yeah. I expect a good man to waste their money upon them. No way. And I will always defend this. Me now waste my money upon a girl when I mean me no good. So from the moment she tell me say she don't mean me no good, me nah have nothing to do with her, brother. Nothing at all. No sir. When she don't mean you no good at all, left the fucker alone. That's what me say. Don't even bother push it no further because you're gonna get more hurt, more damage to your structure. You see what I say? Yeah. Them no mean you no good and them no want you. Left the fuck them alone. Yeah man, left them alone. Straight. Yeah, so that means I say no go have a good day and put God first in everything you wanna do. You see me? And love some fake people. Because you see some people, all them don't take care about you about people, you know. But people tell them say you're this and you're that and you're not like that. And I ending part right now, them wanna come, wanna let them wanna style you. Just have a good day, my people, and put God first. All the good people, them go and hold up on your head high. And don't waste no money for nobody when I hurt it. You see what I say? Straight.